Don't forget to subscribe because this mama is trying to make it on YouTube. If you're not subscribed, what the fuck are you doing? Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be eating sushi. I've seen someone on YouTube doing a sushi mukbang and I wanted some sushi. Those of y'all who really know me, like personally, know that I love sushi. So I got I think this is just like a tempura crab roll, which is just the fried imitation crab in the middle. And then this is the yummy roll, whatever. And it's deep fried and it has tuna in the middle. Laker is right here on the side, so if y'all hear smacking, that is him. I am feeding him some carrots right now, and they did not give me a container with my soy sauce in it. They only gave me 2 packs, so I literally have this little bowl of soy sauce, and I'm gonna be mixing in some wasabi. I also have some yum sauce. Is it good? Laker is almost 6 months. He will be 6 months on Monday, on the 7th, and I'm gonna do him, I'm gonna take photos of him and just give him like a birthday cake. He's also gonna have an outfit that says like happy birthday. Let's get into this first piece. Yes, yeah. I'm going to dip it in the soy sauce and wasabi first. I usually get extra ginger because I love it so much, but this restaurant doesn't allow you to like customize your order or anything in the notes because I ordered it through DoorDash. I'm gonna give y'all a little update on Laker. He does eat baby food now. He also eats regular food, like I give him rice, beans, mac and cheese, chicken, a lot of stuff. He likes pineapple, strawberries. His Gigi gets some watermelon, which is my mom. We feed him so much stuff, so he loves to eat. I just can't wait to see how he's gonna react to his cake on his birthday. Well, his half birthday. Dip that in there. That is definitely busting. Did y'all just hear that little sound? He just went like this. Laker did that. I think that he wants some of my sushi, which I'm not gonna give him any of just because it's just too much going on. Like I give him plain stuff. I even make him homemade mashed potatoes, and with that I don't add salt or anything. I just add butter. Okay. Try to see how this looks on the inside. That's the tuna. Here. Now this is gonna be a big bite. Let's get into dating while being a single mother. All right. So I am dating. Like I've stated before, I don't know if I have or not. Anyway, I have been single for about a year and I want to say 8 months. That's when me and my ex-girlfriend broke up. And since then, I've just been dating people. You know, nothing has been serious after our relationship. And I'm very happy about that just because I haven't been single this long for a long time. Like just having time to myself. So I can appreciate that for sure. It definitely gave me time to heal. But I am ready for a relationship. I wouldn't say like exactly right now, but I do want to date someone exclusively. So I am dating someone new. I just started seeing him probably, I want to say 2 or 3 weeks ago. Can't get this ginger, hold on. Okay, fuck it. 2 or 3 weeks ago, he is a Pisces like me. Uh-oh, hang on, y'all. Get like it right. He's so stinking cute. So yeah, he's a Pisces like me. He is 4 years older than me. And when I tell y'all, this man is fine, so fine. So he told me that within the next 6 months of us like dating and stuff, he does want to be exclusive with me. Once we are exclusive, I will show him on my YouTube. Hopefully things go great and we'll just go, from there with the whole YouTube thing. But usually, you know, you talk to somebody for a few weeks and then something changes or you're not interested anymore and you fall out with them. That's what has been happening for the past year and 8 months with me, with a lot of people. So, I don't know. I really think that he's kind of different though. Because I haven't seen myself in a relationship with a guy before. But I definitely see something there with him, for sure. Laker is sleepy. Yeah. I know that if I held Laker right here, he would definitely be grabbing for my food. So that's why I have him in his sit-up seat. And he's going to stay right over there. Look at that. Here, y'all want a bite? Get some. At this point, Laker's playing with the food. Yeah. I'm telling you. You don't really mess with it. You want something what mommy got, huh? I know, baby. You can't have none. It's kind of spicy. Well, this one, I guess because I use the ginger. Be lit. I have 3 more pieces. I guess I can finish them. This last one though right here is huge. I feel myself getting full, so I am not gonna drink my water yet. I only drink when I eat, like if I'm extremely thirsty. But if I know that I'm trying to finish my entire meal, excuse me, then I won't drink anything until after I eat. I don't have any more ginger. That upsets me. Ooh, when I go grocery shopping, I'm gonna buy some ginger, like a whole jar of ginger. Yeah, speaking of grocery shopping, so bless you, baby. I wanted to go grocery shopping so that I can do a chicken mukbang for y'all. My child is something else, obviously. My mouth is kind of burning. So I'm just about to finish this. He's not having it. I'm about to take him out. There. You happy? Say hi. Say hi to YouTube. Say hi, YouTube family. Don't even, little boy. Just sit right here. Mouth is on fire. This is the last sushi roll, or piece of sushi, I should say. Oh, I think what they put underneath this one is like a spicy mayo. Right? That's what it looks like. It is. Here we go, Laker. This is my last piece. I had to do that one in half because it was just too big. Dripping all over my table. Okay. So that's right. Laker, what are you looking for? I don't know what it be about them last bites, but they be hitting. That is the end of this video. I tried to talk more about some stuff, but I got a little distracted with having him, feeding him. Excuse me. Okay, chill out, Laker. Just a burp. Everyone does it, even you. So the next mukbang, I promise, will be better, because I am going to be more focused, and I probably have a story time. If y'all want the story time about just anything, let me know. Comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, because this mama is trying to make it on YouTube. So if you watch this, subscribe, because if you're not subscribed, what the fuck are you doing? Alright, peace. See y'all in the next video.